And we are live. Hi everyone. Nice to be back in live. Technically and hopefully without any technical problem this time. At least my Wi-Fi looks okay. Let's knock on wood. Let me get all the windows I need for today's stream. I have everything here, but when I mirror the screen to make it 16 by 9, then everything gets shuffled. So okay. Let me see the audio. 16 by 9. Perfect. Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? T- Today we have a bunch of stuff to do. And the first thing is we are gonna. Give me just a second because I need the split screen, but come on, Helium. You can do it. How the fuck? Helium? Por favor, can I have the split screen with you too? Oh, thank you, Helium. So why do I have the black bars? Do I have them also on Twitter? No. Okay. So what are we gonna do today? As I said in the title, we are gonna continue web coding one of my hub that is an image generation hub that I'm doing both for mobile and web. And the other thing that we are gonna do is we are gonna test the new Nanobanana 2. It just got released. Let me get Twitter for a sec. Mirai here. We just got a new model. It's called Nanobanana 2, or better, Gemini 3.1 Flash image. So this is the Flash version of Nanobanana Pro, and a bunch of people are saying that it's almost as good, eh, and some are saying that it's basically the same. Now, Nanobanana Pro is an amazing, outstanding, incredible model. I made a bunch of videos about it. I've been yapping on Twitter about it since the release, just because it was really a step above everything else, and it stayed like until now, basically. No model, in my opinion, and most of the people's opinion, was as good as Nano Banana Pro. So let's do this as first thing. What we are gonna do is we are gonna use my usual evals. For people that don't know, this is one of my websites where I put courses and evals about AI. It's completely free. You can check it out. Is masterAIcoding.dev. Oh, everything disappeared. Everything disappeared again. Okay, nice. So Mac, do you want to collab or okay? So it's masterAIcoding.dev. And here is where also I put all my models eval. So here you can see it's Nano Banana, Seedream, GPT 1.5, and Rocky Imagine. And we're gonna put Nano Banana 2 here as well. Let me get the images from FAL. That is my provider. I hope they are there already. FAL, but they usually are. So let me check. And if not, we are screwed. So Nano Banana 2. Okay, we have it. Let me just get both the slugs, text to image and image editing, and let me change the EMVs in the thingy. In the okay, you got it on cursor. So I don't want to show you just because I don't want you to steal my $8 worth of credit. That's it. Uh, env.local. This is the image edit, and this is the image, the actual image model. Okay, close the envs. So that's how they are gonna look like. Every model has, let me show you another one because this is my current SOTA model and the other pages are different. They have three models. One is the before image, one is the after image, and one is the image made by the SOTA model. And it's against 8 different prompts. Most are image to image because in my personal opinion is the most important thing. And as you can see here, we are gonna have the same thing for also Gemini. So let's just ask Composer. Let me add Whisper. Understand how we do our image evals and use the current EMBs models to run another eval and seed them inside Convex. Okay, let's let him work and we are gonna check on it once it's done. In the meantime, let me start also the project that we are going to work on today. This is Body Imagine. Today we are gonna focus mainly on the mobile app. So I will show you the web app real quick. It's Banrun, I think it's Banrun Web, something like that. No, BD. Let me see if it lets me run everything. So this is the web version, but I will need to log in. So I will show you once it's fully loaded. I also have the simulator here. Oh, let me log in my browser. Here, local. No, that's the localhost 301. I think it's this one. Let's see. Okay. On Twitter, I think everything is smooth, or at least I hope so. Okay, let me just run the turbo command only with the web. Okay, it just appeared. So this is the page. This is the initial page, or better, this is the page when you are already logged in. Let me see if I can show you also the landing, if I have one, but I don't remember. Let me see, let me see. Oh no, we just have the Google sign in. So you just sign in, we use clerk, and you have 4 pages. Iterations, yeah, okay, don't worry about that. We have 4 pages. One is for creating, one is for editing, one is for the BG removal, and one is for upscaling. And here, like, you cannot choose the model. What I decided to do is using the AMP model. AMP, for people that don't know, is an agentic harness that doesn't let you decide the model you want to use. It doesn't let you decide the model that is going to use, but they decide for you. They have specific modes, and each mode has its own model. I think the smart mode uses Opus, the deep one uses GPT-3 codex, the fast one, like I think it's called Rush, they use Haiku, something like that. But they don't let you choose. I want to use the same concept here for the image generation for a single reason. Like, you probably know that the image models, like there are a bunch of image models and each one has its own perks, so it's difficult for users to decide which model they want to use. It's even worse than actual like text model because image models are not that useful for like most people. So we also have a fast model and a best model, quote unquote. This is the most expensive one. The fast one is with Z Image Turbo, I think, and the best one is Nanobanana Pro. And you can create one up to 6 images. So let's just create 3 images a cute corgi, something like that. And they are gonna create the images. It's gonna consume your credits. You can buy credits here. Is not That's not a corgi. I think that the image is a bit idiotic, but a gorgi, no corgi. I think the corgi is a dog. I At least that's what I remember. Yeah, exactly. So you have the images here. You can download them. You can share them with friends. You can also edit images. So let me see a random image I have. Here, him. The absolute god. Oh, we need to fix this. The first thing I remember, the image preview doesn't work that well. Let me just fix it here. Are we in the right? Yes. Let me get Opus Max. Let me remove plan. Use the front end skill and make sure that the preview shows the whole image so we don't crop it. Okay. I think I added the skills to my cursor. I need to check. Okay, let's see if it works correctly now. Yes, okay. So put a nice crab hat. Let's see. Let me use Nanobanana. At least it's a bit cooler. Because the most painful thing about this whole app is making sure that every workflow is fully durable. And I still don't know what the fuck a durable workflow is. I just know that it's really important, and it just means that if I refresh, or if I lost connection, or I don't know, an asteroid hits my house, because why not? Then the workflow will still like work. Okay, this is the poor Peter. So this is the man I love. It's Peter. No, I'm kidding. Not that much, honestly. So yeah, let's remove also the background so I can put him in my wall. Oh, I need to. I think I don't have drag and drop. Okay, another thing that we need to add. Uh, can you make sure we have also drag and drop for all the areas? And also we can paste images in all the areas. And one other thing is make sure. No, I think that's it. Uh, make sure we have a nice animation for it. Use the front end skill. I should start a new thread because this is a completely different task, but but I want to use the front end skill as well. So yeah, technically for something like this, I would use Codex, honestly. Oh, everything just died. Nice. Yeah, I think it's because the application completely died. Ah, what a pain in the ass. Let me just composer. Can you just run web and convex, please? I should have the command for it, but I don't remember which one it is. Let me see. Is ban run dev web. Okay, you can stop. Thank you for your service. Ban run web dev. Ban does? No. The fuck? No. Ban run web dev. No. I feel so retarded right now. Why the fuck it doesn't work? Ban run dev web. Okay, whatever. Let's get back to the page. Let's get back to our page. Also, let me check on the other thingy if it's complete. The master AI coding. Let me see. Okay, I think he's generating the images. Let's wait. Okay. Let's see if now the thingy works. No, we still don't have the drop area. Okay, cursor, what are you doing? Wake up. Wakey, wakey. Okay, it's still working. Let him finish. Oh, Nanobanana 2 is working? And they removed Nanobanana Pro from the evals. What the fuck? Why? No, I think he just renamed the thing. Nanobanana. Composer. Okay, let's see what he did. BG removal. Can you please? Oh, I love this. Paste from clipboard. Yeah, why we don't have the preview of the image? Nah. Why don't we have the preview of the image when we paste an image in the drop area? Let's see. Also, the images are almost ready. We are doing far 5 out of 8, so they're gonna be ready soon. Let's see. Cursor. Okay. Okay, looks like it's done. Let's see. Uh, I still don't see the image though. Let me get to the downloads. I think it's in the TD. Dates created. What? I don't see the image. The fuck is this? Oh, wait a minute. It doesn't work because when I edit the image, like when I save the image, it got me like a strange image. I don't know. Let's try to copy it. Okay, it worked like this. Let's try to remove the BG. I need to fix the downloads. No, I cannot download anything. Why? Let me get codecs to work. New chat, codecs. Hey, can you understand why I cannot download the images in any of the areas? I want to be able to click on a button that is in the top right corner of the image and download it immediately in PNG or JPEG. Okay, the workflow is working. Why I don't see Nanobanana Pro anymore? Did you just change it with Nanobanana 2? Text rendering. Oh, this is so nice. Okay. Okay, cursor is... Oh, something is done. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's the other one. I don't understand why the app just explodes sometimes. Whatever. Let's see if we were able to remove the BG from Peter. Cursor. I think we have a problem with convex. Let me see. Binance convex tab. Okay, this one is done. Hmm. Okay, now um, waiting for components, uploading. Okay, it should be working now. Okay, BG remove, and that's what I was mentioning about like the durable workflows. The app crashed. We quitted the workflow, but the image generation was still completed. So as you can see here, but I still cannot open it, or give me just a second and download it. So we still have an issue. Let me just share it with Codex. Because technically you can do it from the profile, I think. You should have a profile section somewhere. Or at least I have in the mobile app. I guess we don't have it here, but it makes sense. Let me see. For example, those images, I don't have the download button, so I cannot download them. And that's the same in the other pages. Why? Let's see. Uh, Still don't understand why we get these problems. No, can close this. Okay, we got our Nanobanana too. I think some images from Nanobanana Pro got, yes, they got converted. I hate Composer. Let me switch to Codex. Hey, all my images in Nanobanana Pro, at least the after images, were swapped with Nanobanana 2. Please recover them from upload thing. I hope they can get it. Let's see. Okay, now we have the download button. I mean, we don't need. Um, do we need or we don't need? No, okay, we don't need the PNG JPEG. And we can keep only PNG. No need for JPEGs, I think. But now I can download this and put it as a, I don't know, the thing they do with the Christians thingy. Like I can put this in my wallet. Let me see if the image shows correctly. Yes, it's perfect. Bro, that's our man. Okay, nice. Everything is working correctly now. That's really good. Now we only have the PNG, so the download button is there. Let me see the rest. Okay, please, we'll check types and push to GitHub, and we are good. Oh, the image didn't go covered. Right, okay, this is Nanobanana 2. Let me see Nanobanana Pro if it got restored for real. Okay, everything looks good. Good lord. Was a bit scared, but it's okay. I have all the image saved, so I don't have much to worry. Um, can you please create a simple script so next time I can just use the EMVs I have with the new models and create the evals only for that model instead of seeding every time everything, and also turn it into an agent skill. Use the create skill. Create skill. I'm sorry guys that you cannot see the other screen, but uh, Codex has a really problematic way of showing EMBs sometimes in the terminal, so I'm just pretty scared of that. But we are not doing anything uh, that much important. Now we are gonna see the models directly in the website. So model evals. This is Nanobanana 2. Let's see. First of all, advanced text rendering. But why it doesn't show the SOTA as well? What the fuck is this? Okay, this was not exactly that. This was done perfectly. Okay, give me just a second because in Nanobanana 2 we don't have the SOTA as well. Give me just a second. Why in the Nanobanana 2 evals we don't have also the third image that is the current SOTA that is Nanobanana Pro? We don't have the comparison. We just have 2 images out of 3. Let's see. Here is building everything. Also, another cool thing that now you can do with AI, and it's pretty cost efficient, is upscaling. Like you can do really, really nice upscaling. So let's use Peter's image again. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, I can. Oh, really nice. Okay. Looks like I can't. Oh, I need. Okay. I thought about. Okay. I have a functionality in mind now. Let's wait for this to finish. Let's let him push to GitHub, and then I have a functionality in mind. Like having the chance to have like a button here and reference all the images that we currently have. Let's see if we can do something like that. I think it could be pretty interesting. Let me also see if cursor is done on the other side. In short, Nano Banana Pro exists as SOTA, Banana Banana 2 features are linked in the. If you want, I can patch this so Nano Banana 2 and non SOTA. Okay, it's a codecs problem, I guess, because Composer is not able to fix it. Yeah, every model that is not stated as SOTA should have the third image with the SOTA image, so we can compare it to the current SOTA model. Okay. Come on, you can do it. You just need to build a couple of stuff. It's nothing transcendental. Let me already make the prompt here so we are ready. In every image to image interface, so the last 3, can we have a button in the top right corner of the upload drop zone where we have a cool take inspiration button in the neo-brutalist minimal style with our palette, and with that all our photos show, and we can import all the photos that we currently have saved, so we can use it for the image to image. Okay, let's see if he's able to do it. I think we are almost done here. Here we are gonna have, yes, we have the images, so everything looks good. Now let's see this Nanobanana 2. Maybe I can put myself in YouTuber mode for a second, just because I wanted to make the Nanobanana 2 model. Let me see if I can record a quick clip. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, Nano Banana Pro has a new competitor. It's called Nano Banana 2. Like Nano Banana Pro has been state of the art for as long I can remember. So they literally after it, it got released, after that there was no any better model. Like it was the model of the year, even better than Gemini 3 Pro. Like I remember firmly, Nano Banana Pro was released I think 1 day or 2 days after Gemini 3 Pro. No one was talking about Gemini 3 Pro after a week. Everyone was still talking about Nano Banana Pro. So Nano Banana 2 is not a successor. It's not Nano Banana Pro 2. This is the Gemini version. In fact, the actual model name is Gemini 3.1 Flash Image or something like that. And today we are gonna see how it compares to Nano Banana Pro. We have 8 benchmarks: the text rendering, doodle to edit, multi-image blending, style transfer, smart resizing, sketch to prototype, image annotation, and upscaling. Let's see how it performs. First of all, the text rendering. This is the before image. This is how the formula must be rendered. This is one of the formulas. This is what Nano Banana does, and it looks perfect. Let me see. Yeah, it looks amazing. It even finishes the parentheses. And this is the current SOTA. So honestly, I don't see any difference. I honestly prefer the Nano Banana 2 a bit more. Let me know in the comment what you think about that. Let's also see the doodle to edit. What's doodle to edit? This is my most used thing in Nano Banana. It's like I take Excalidraw or CleanShot and I just doodle on an image, for example, like this, and I say something, turn this into a banana and write pro on it. This is, oh, that's so nice. Okay, it just went a bit after the border, but it's so cool. And for reference, this is how Nano Banana Pro performed. I don't know. I think I like more the Nano Banana 2. They might have cooked. Oh, another thing that I'm seeing, uh, I need to check it on the Gemini app, but if you see closely, it doesn't have the star at the right. I think it's just because we use the API, but I need to check. Now, this is the style transfer. Like we had to transfer this style to a tomato, and it didn't work that well. On Nano Banana Pro was a banana, but then I changed the prompt to a tomato because it was a bit more complex. And yeah, it wasn't his best thing. Let's see another one. The smart resizing. This is quite easy. They just need to crop the image from 16 by 9 to 1 by 1, and it did perfectly. This is what Nano Banana did. Here I asked him also to change the image again, but the main thing was the auto resizing, and it was perfect. Now the sketch to prototype. I just asked him to make the cake real. Ooh, okay, they both look really good, but I love the details here a lot more. I like Nano Banana 2 here. I prefer it more. This is Nano Banana Pro, this is Nano Banana 2. That's not a huge difference, and I even prefer Nano Banana 2. We also need to check the pricing. So this is gonna be also an interesting factor. Now, one thing the Nano Banana Pro is outstanding, is not just amazing, it's outstanding, is you give it a simple image and it can create infographics about that image. This is how Nano Banana Pro perform. So from just solid, liquid, gas, and plasma, it gives this whole infographic. And this is how Nano Banana 2 performed. This is okay. I mean, it looks good. From regular rigid lactize to ionized energy clouds, the continuum of matter. Increased temperature, highest energy. I mean, it looks pretty good, but this is a cleaner. This is a lot cleaner. But I love this style. This is like futuristic style. Stage of gases. They also have examples: mercury, oil, water, metal, ice cubes, diamonds, solar flare. No, that's really cool. That's really cool. It's a lot more aesthetic. This is a lot more minimal. They both win in my opinion. Now for the upscaling. This is really important. This is the original image. Fuck, fuck, bro. Okay, now I'm really conflicted because this is an actual upscaling, but it still looks a bit like rubber. But it's not that bad actually. And this is Nano Banana Pro. So he gave it fur. He make it more realistic. I'm so conflicted here. They both look excellent. Okay, they cooked really really hard, like really really hard. That's really nice. So let's also go to Gemini app. You can access it both here and in AI Studio. You can access it both here in AI Studio. You just go to create image and you choose, I think it's thinking, either thinking or fast. Let's see. Maybe thinking because this is Gemini 3 Flash thinking. So let's have a monochrome style and let's use the Peter image. I don't think he is gonna be able to do it because it doesn't edit people very well, or it's not like he's not able to. He just like refuses to do it. But let's see. Put this style on my face, please. Let's see if he does it. Okay, Nano Banana 2. Okay, we are working with the right thing. It's a bit slow. No, they did Nano Banana slow again. Please no. But what the fuck is doing? Okay, I'll tell you what's doing. What is it doing? From GPT-1, I think that's what started it. The image models are not just image models. They're a mix of text and image and tools. So that's why it's taking so long. In the meantime, let's see if OpenRouter already has yeah, it has it. OpenRouter is the love of my life. How much does it cost? Yeah, okay, but mm, yeah, it's 25, 150, but that's not how you. Okay. Let me just go to x.com and let's see what the Google team is saying. Gemini pricing. No, Gemini Nano Banana 2. Let me see. Okay, it's 4 cent for. Eh? I think this is the resolution. Like 4 cent for 5200 image. Eh? Nano Banana 2 image pricing. I think that's the resolution, by the way, but let's just see. Okay, we are not gonna get it here. But I think it's like 4 cents per image. That's more or less the price. Let me see AI Studio. I remember that 4 cent an image was also the price. Ooh, okay. I thought every API key was leaked for a second. Let me get to the. I think it's the playground. Let me see if we have here the thingy. Yeah, they still do input output, but how can I understand? Like, I think it's this one. It's 10 cent per image. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's 10 cent, 15 cent per image, more or less. We got it. And it's 1,000 by 1,000 pixel. That's not bad. That's pretty good, actually. Really, really good. So that's another thing. Let me just get back to. Oof. Okay. Yeah, we have. My code rabbit went bananas. We're gonna need to fix a bunch of stuff. Uh, well, okay. I don't understand why we don't have the button for all the issues. Like it was so useful. Let me finish the video first, okay? Okay, we did Peter. Do we still get the star when we download the image? Let's see. Even image download is so slow. Okay, 9 megabytes. That's why it's slow. Yeah, we still have the star. That's pretty sad. But this model is amazing. They cooked again. Google is the indiscussed king of images, and it's gonna stay like this for a while. So yeah, that's my opinion on the model. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, we have the video. Let's move to something more interesting. As I was saying before they called me, let's move to something more interesting. First of all, we have like a trillion issues here. Can I like let me do review or changes, something like that? Maybe like this. I don't know. But wherever we committed, so we can start the other feature. Let me remove this. I love you, Code Rabbit, but we don't have time right now. Terminal here. So for people that's joined now, what we are doing is I have a Vibecoded image generation hub, this one, and we are trying to implement a feature where in all the edit functionalities, we have a small button here that lets us reference all the images that we previously created. And that's what we have been doing with Peter, by the way. Let's see if we have some new things in the meantime. Nanobanana 2, okay. Also, a lot of people probably like ended their NDA, so we probably have a bunch of people talking about it on YouTube as well. Oh, Matt Wolf, he is the goat. Sam as well. Okay, nice. I'm gonna have a bunch of video to watch. Tomorrow probably Tio is gonna talk about it. Uh, we are gonna hit pretty well. Let's see what cursor is doing. Let me close the other cursor, the one with mm, mm, the benchmarks. We don't need it anymore, so we can close everything. One cool thing that I discovered is that we can use Revenue Cat also for the credits. Take inspiration. Nice. We can use Revenue Cat also for on web. I need to make this cooler. Let's see. Opus. Okay. please use the front end skill and uh, refactor this whole sidebar. Make sure all the buttons have the same dimension and we are following the same design guide and style guide that we have. Ole. Let's see what he's doing here. I think he's done. Let me get here. So take inspiration. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is so fucking cool. What the fuck? Take inspiration. Oh, no, wait. No, okay. Okay, all good. So let's choose a little birdie. Yeah, okay. What we need to do is we need to put the take inspiration above the thing, not inside, or else we will do the double click. Let me just fix this. Let me get to cursor. Okay, it's already done here, so put the take inspiration button on top of the drop zone, not inside, or else we are gonna have double clicks. Okay, let's see how Opus is gonna redo this. Okay, we have it. Now let's see if everything works correctly. Let's get a little birdie and let's remove the BG. Let's close the app and let's see if the workflow is completely durable. And let me fucking close the notification on Twitter. The red thing is bugging me like crazy. Give me just a second. Okay, it should be fixed now. Come on, Twitter. Bro, Twitter is such a interesting app. Such an interesting app. Okay. Let's see. Let me get cursor back. Okay, we have everything correctly. Okay, this is correct. Let me see the credit side. Is it done? Or did it change anything? Let me get the local host back. There, there is a small problem with Helium sidebars. Like you cannot drag and drop the pages. Whatever. Oh, perfect. It was completely durable. We just closed the app, the workflow continued. That's the magic of Convex. Cursor can now automatically fix issues it finds in PRs with bulk. Okay. We have a new news from Cursor. Let's see it. Give me just a second. Cursor here. Can now automatically fix issues the efficiency finds in PRs with bug autofix. Who decided that Bugbot was a good name? Bugbot. Well, I mean, there are other interesting decisions like Nanobanana, but whatever. So credits. Okay, It looks okay, I guess. Let's put this new model to work. Let me get a nice view of the UI, and let's see if we can create a coin for this. Okay, let's see. Let's use the new model. Share per images. Let's do it. This is the UI of my app. Now I need you to help me to create a token or a point or a credit for my application following my team. Give me 8 different options. Let's see. It's gonna take like a bajillion years. So let me see in chat if we have any question on anything that needs an answer. Also, for people that are watching me on Twitter, uh, please move to my YouTube or Twitch if you have any questions, because I don't see the messages in the Twitter chat. Like usually they don't work. So okay, those are interesting decisions. I guess. Oh, I love this. Wait. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Let's iterate on the creation key. Let's make 8 different images. Instead of the dog, use the sparkle, but keep the same style and same vibe. Sparkle. Also, make it more minimal and stylographic. Let's use some random words. Let's see what it's gonna make. Always run with XI reasoning. Who is he? Co-founder of OpenAI. Are you a dev? Should I trust you? Yes, he is a dev because only devs have GitHub in their profile. Ay, ay, ay. Let's stalk this guy. I don't know. I don't know. Stripe PRG, Kaggle. I don't know. Always XI reasoning. A lot of people said that extra high is a huge scam because it just like overthinks. Usually, when I need to run stuff, I just use the high version of Codex, but I think it's just a matter of preferences at this point. Okay. So another thing that we can use this new model for. Okay, I was thinking about something and I needed to rephrase it a bit. Hey, tomorrow I'm gonna release my first newsletter. Let me see if I can find it. It's gonna be about the latest news about AI the past month, and then it's gonna be bi-weekly. And if you want to get those news, you just go to Master AI Coding again, and you just send me your email here. I will not spam you. It's just gonna be like twice a month, so every 2 weeks, and it's gonna be about the latest news. Let me see my drafts. I have the new letter here. This one. So start adding the images because this is something I needed to do. We can use the images we have here. So for this, let me copy this. Let me see if I can add images. Oh, looks like I can. Nice. I have I have quite a funny comic. I mean, can I say that something I made is funny? Like the Obama medal reference. But this is Anthropic. They stole the whole internet allegedly. Allegedly stole the whole internet. Now, allegedly, Chinese labs are distilling their models. So, well, yeah, you understand the scene here. For this, we don't need images. For this, we don't really need images. Yeah, I think that was the only image I wanted to put, honestly. The rest can stay like this. These images. This is crazy good. Uh, please, Peter, don't be like Anthropic. My lawyers are not ready for you. Okay, let's see. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not that sure. Maybe the second one is not that bad. Yeah, let's try with the second one. Okay, let's use the second one. Make it more minimal and make it slightly 3D and only keep three colors that are black, white, and our accent red. Let me find the actual color. Picker, pick, pick. Let's see. And we're also gonna try it with Nanobanana Pro. Yeah, let's do it. Let me open another Gemini website because if I do something strange, everything is gonna collapse. So let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see which one does better. And this is an example of my usual workflow, honestly. I just send it random stuff. Nano Banana Pro almost never failed me. And I use it quite a lot. So, okay, what the fuck is this? Credits? Okay, I'm not that sure. Oh, just keep the infinity. I think I quite like it. And remove everything else. That could be an interesting idea. Guys, Nano Banana Pro is so much more structured. Okay, keep only the key and the grid. Remove everything else. Like the grid in the background and the key. Keep it those and remove everything else. Okay. Okay. Let's give this to GPT-1. Let me remove the BG. And let's see. That's so nice, guys. Come on. This is so fucking cool. Uh, I think I cannot do multiple generations at once. Oh, okay. We are gonna wait. I don't want to add multiple generation at once in general, just because it can be painful, so people can wait. Do, 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 do. I'm still quite a huge fan of Nano Banana Pro, honestly. But I also understand that it's quite expensive. Oh, this is fucking incredible. I don't know how. This is the GPT-1 model, by the way, the background removal. I don't know how, but they made the background removal model. Like, it's crazy good. Really, really crazy good. Okay, let's remove the BG from this as well, and let's move to Figma then. Figma. Let me see if I have strange stuff on my Figma. 1 second. Work. I have a bunch of shit. Okay, let me get this back. Ole. Do you guys know that now in Figma you can vectorize images? I will show you in a sec. But we can keep this asset. Let's keep it here. That's how you vectorize images. Well, this is impossible image to vectorize. So let's see. No, back to design mode, por favor. Just vectorize. You just click here, you click vectorize, and you vectorize the image. It's quite easy. Copy image. I need a copy button here. Okay, yes, let's do it. Let's use composer for it. Composer, 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 composer. Let's give it an image. In the images, at the right of download PNG, can we also have copy with the copy icon, please? Let's bring the key. No, not this. Did I copy the key? Yes. So again, how do you vectorize the image? You just select the image, you go here, and you do more and vectorize. And you get a full scalable vector. So you can just select the whole vector. You can remove it from the frame if you want. You can group it. And now it's infinitely scalable. So right now it's like 600 pixel. Now it's 3000 pixel, and it's not gonna lose quality. It looks a bit strange because this image was not easy to vectorize, but for example, this one is a lot better to vectorize. It's a lot more squared. So now you just group everything and you keep it as a vector, and you can do whatever you want with it. And this is like quite cool. So we can start doing the logo sizes. Let me just do like this. Go to the front. Let's group this. So we just do like this. And that's an infinitely scalable. So it can be either white or whatever background we prefer. It can be black. Yeah, black looks quite good. Let me use the black I usually use for my icons. Give me a sec. So this black here. No, this one here. Is it the same? Is it the same black? Logo 3? Yeah, it's the same. Okay. Here. Let's use this black. And we have our SVG. Then we just do this group, export, SVG, export. We can also copy this SVG. It is the clean one. We can both copy it as PNG and SVG. They can both be useful. And now let's just do like this. And we bring it to our code base. 1, 2, 3, cursor, public. Let's put them here. So this is logo transparent, logo black, logo, just logo. Okay. But technically this is not even the logo, it's the credits, but you got the point. I mean, it's the same thing. Okay, we are in Composer, let's use this. Let's get the PNG transparent. Can you use this instead of the credits icon? Let's see. Yeah, I think the image is a bit too complex to render it well. Let me see. Can you make it double as big? Let's try. Because like this, honestly, makes no sense. It will not render correctly. But we have a bunch of space we don't really need. So let's try to make it. I mean, first of all, let's make sure we are using the transparent one. Make sure that PNG is fully transparent and we don't have the dark background when we need to buy credits. Let me also add the screenshot. I said, let me add the screenshot. 3 here. Okay. Come on. Maybe we can remove the borders. Yeah, I think it's the best option. Can you also remove the box in the main page where the icon is inside? Just keep the icon, remove the borders and the box. Okay, I like it. I don't love it, but I like it. Okay. Can you remove it also from the buy credits? Okay, we removed it. Yeah, I quite like it how it's like now. Honestly, that's pretty nice. Let's just push everything to GitHub. And this application is gonna be live quite soon. I just need to understand how to like take it to Stripe. Just need to connect it to Stripe. That's it. The rest is fully working as you saw in the live, and I hope everyone is gonna use it. I mean, everyone, like everyone that wants to make images with AI. I think it's quite cool. Also, the interface, I worked a bunch on it. It's still far from perfect, still has a bunch of issues, but at least I know for a fact that the model that we are using are the best models possible. So at least that's sure. Also, today I had a bunch of issues, like quote unquote issues, upgrading to the Expo SDK 55. I had a skill. I used that skill. We upgraded everything. It changed like 50 lines of code, something like that. It was super easy, and then everything crashed. Like nothing mm, would start. Like I was running Banex Expo start, something like that. So everything was nuking. At one point, I got really, really frustrated. I just cleaned the repo, I started again, like the clone the repo again, etc. That didn't work as well. At one point, I decided to turn on and off my PC again, and then everything started working. Honestly, like that's not a made up story. That's how I passed my morning. Crazy shit. I hope that you guys don't hear that doom 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 the cursor is doing. It's quite painful. It's quite painful for me. I don't wanna know how painful it is for you. This key, it's so fucking cool. It's so cool. And we got it after like 4 prompts, something like that. I think we got pretty lucky. So yeah, I think that's it for today's live. We made a bunch of progress. We created the taking inspiration thingy. We made sure that everything was working correctly and the workflows were completely durable. We made the credit key that is really cool. And we also tested the new Nanobanana 2. I will release the video probably either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So if you missed it, you can either watch the stream again or you can go directly to the video. And yeah, thank you everyone for giving me company, giving me, whatever is the good term. And see ya tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'm gonna stream in the morning CET and we are gonna continue this up, I think. So again, thank you so much for watching everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.